Here are 5 things you didn't know about mantis shrimp vision that puts human sight to shame. First, while humans have 3 types of color receptors, mantis shrimp have 16. This means they see colors we literally cannot imagine, like having a completely new dimension of sight. Second, they see ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light all at the same time. Imagine looking at someone and seeing their heat signature, hidden patterns, and reflected light angles simultaneously. Third, their eyes move independently like chameleons, but with telescopic zoom. Each eye can focus on different objects while zooming in and out like a camera lens. Fourth, scientists discovered they can detect cancer cells better than medical equipment. Their vision picks up cellular changes invisible to our most advanced machines. Fifth, if humans had mantis shrimp eyes, we would see millions of new colors and detect diseases just by looking at people. We could spot illness before symptoms appear, revealing how limited our perception really is. We think we see reality, but we're practically blind.